My name is Suzann Victor. I come from Singapore, but I live in the Blue Mountains in Sydney, Australia. The title of this artwork is Strike. Strike was conceived during the COVID period. And as you know, during the COVID period, it really impacted on human behavior. And the idea came about for the artwork to be a sonic work, an artwork that has a voice, rather than an art object that you just look at. So I created this work with about 200 glass vessels. The glass vessels create different notes and different sounds. So it ranges from the very bass sound to quite high clings. And in combination, you get a spectrum of sounds from it. Not only that, I think it's the way that the work conspires with the space to create this sound work. So the spaces between the glass vessels, they are spaces that become alive because it's actually activated to become the voice of the artwork, the sounds that emanate from the work. I think symbolically, water is also associated with emotions and the intensity of our emotions. There is a level of water in some of the glass vessels, and it actually controls the pitch of the sound when it's struck. So water also has an impact on sound, other than, with the environment, with the way that water is basically life itself. I feel that the artwork depends on the audience to enliven the work, to give it a voice. So when the audience is able to engage with the work more directly, rather than to maintain a distance from the work, I feel that there is a closeness that the artwork can have with the Saudi Arabian audience.